Hello, I'm Hazel Tindall from Shetland. Over the years I've been asked many questions about knitting, so I've got together with my friend Elizabeth Johnston and made a video, primarily to answer the most frequently asked questions. Between us we have over 100 years of knitting experience, so there's bound to be some tips useful to you, whether you're a beginner or a more experienced knitter. For a fraction of the price of a face-to-face workshop, you'll get 3 hours of in-depth tips and slowed-down demonstrations. We cover such things as casting on, including different ways to do a provisional cast on, holding the yarn in left and right hands, increasing and decreasing, catching floats in collar knitting, knitting thumbs and fingers in gloves, an easy way to make a 3-needle bind-off, picking up stitches from the edge and different ways of joining pieces of knitting, making buttonholes and fixing mistakes, and how to hold double-pointed needles, using a knitting belt, and the most important bit, finishing and blocking. 50 Tips from Shetland Knitters is available now as a downloadable video. See my website for details.